E-Power AGV. One command sets our vehicles in motion, operating non-stop across 5,500 square meters of facility space. Built with E-Power precision, these AGVs seamlessly deliver materials and collect finished products where needed. When workers cross paths, smart sensors ensure complete safety. AGVs automatically identify material pickup locations with precision scanning. Our traffic system manages multiple vehicles without collision or congestion. Materials are placed exactly where they belong, maintaining perfect workflow. When power runs low, our smart AGVs seamlessly return to charging stations on their own, traveling an impressive 900 kilometers every day. Nearly 1 million yuan in annual savings for your operation. E-Power, your warehouse empowered.